Now you're gonna be quiet? What a bunch of goose. They're so silly. They love their pen, their new pen. They absolutely love it. Hey guys, welcome back to Not For Nothing Homestead. I'm Ginger. Thank you very much. There is Trey, Ellie, and Toby. And they want to talk and then they don't want to talk, and they want to talk and they don't want to talk. But thanks for stopping by today, guys. So I'm going to take you on a little bit of an adventure today. A very impromptu adventure, if you will. But we're going to get away from the quackers, the noisemakers. So I was on my way down to check on the sunflowers, and I'm going to bring you guys with me because we have some amazing stuff going on down here. You are absolutely going to be mind-boggled, okay? Okay, so I'm standing in the sunflower patch here. Oof, it's starting to drizzle a little. Standing in the sunflower patch. All of these sunflowers around me. Got a whole row right there. Now those in the back are as tall as I am. I'm not kidding. We'll walk back there. Walk with me, if you will. So, and I'm like 5'2". 5'2", yeah. Me and this guy right here, we're the same height. Actually, he may be a little bit taller than me. That's awesome. They're all coming up really good. Everybody's looking good. Some of them are going out. Coming in, look at that one. Wow, that one looks nice. It's just starting to open up. These big guys back here, though, their heads have... That one looks like it had one that opened, and now it's closing. But that big one over there is not even open yet. So that's amazing. Okay, but this is where the wild things are, okay? Kind of like the book, Where the Wild Things Are. This one right here is going to have a gorgeous head on it. It's huge. Okay, I'm going to go back here, and you can see this big one too. Wow, that stalk is thick. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Here are my guys. I'm the same height. We're all three the same height. Actually, maybe a little bit taller than me. Okay, let me get out of this. I don't want to mess anybody up. Coming out of the weeds and the sunflowers. Now, remember I said I was just going to leave that plant because I didn't know what it was. Some kind of pumpkin or something. So, it's doing pretty good. And then there was another one on the other side. Well, look at this one. Holy cannoli. It's almost up there. Him and the sunflower are like neck and neck. But you peel back the little layers and let's see what's in here. There you go. Looky there. So that's not it. But wait, there's more. So we're going to go up here now. That one that is just outside the sunflower pen, I don't know what got a hold of all those leaves. There was a bunch of leaves on it, but you can see that they're broken now or bit off. Look at that one. Okay, these are all volunteers, guys. I didn't plant these. I planted one, and I'll show you that one in just a minute. But I didn't plant this one. This just came up. This was the previous pig pen. And we threw pumpkins and watermelons and cantaloupes and everything. And again, this thing's been vacant since for at least 18 months. So let's see if I can find what I saw in here. Where'd it go? Well, Fooey Banooey. There's another big one over here. I don't see anything just yet. Huh. Well, I didn't find anything. I thought I saw some kind of a big something or another growing. There are two little something or another's growing right there, but I have one right there too. It looks like it's yellowing up and it's gonna die. So maybe those other two will take off. So we'll go over here to the other side because this is where Daisy and the piglets were. So, right here on this fence, looky there. I believe that is a white heirloom pumpkin. That's one of the things that we got from that farmer's market for free. And it's getting a pretty good, pretty hefty size on it. We have lots and lots of flowers. I see lots of male flowers. Oh, there's another female, but it looks like it's about to die off. We just got a really good rain. So, I don't know. And this one is going into the other pen quite a ways. I didn't catch that. So maybe there's another one on there somewhere. Okay, so there's that beauty. And if you scan over here to the left, here is another one. And I believe this is spaghetti squash. That appears to be spaghetti squash. That's one. And there's number 2. I should just bring my squash plants down here. And number 3 over there. And these things are getting huge. I'm trying not to step on that vine because it is literally going all over the place. I mean, that goes all the way down to the fence over there. So here you go. This is my where the wild things are. Look how far that comes up all the way from the back fence, right down there, all the way up here to Daisy's pen. That is so nuts. There's a tomato plant right there, but it looks like it is quite stressed. But maybe this rain will help. And there was another one right here, and this one is really stressed out. But again, we'll see how it does. I didn't plant any of this stuff that were, sorry for the Blair Witch Project thing. I didn't plant any of these. None of them. These are all volunteers. That grouping over there just kills me how big it is. And there's nothing on it. Now, this I did plant. This is a green striped pumpkin. Kind of like what I have on the other side. It looks like it's doing really good. Oh, and there is a little pumpkin coming up. So that's good. Over there on the outside of the fence over there, I'm going to go over there. Let's go over there and investigate. See what that is. Because I'm not sure if I've seen any signs of fruits or anything. But there's a big old vine. Let's see. I see flowers and flowers and flowers. Nope. I don't see any. They're just like the male flowers are just now starting to come up on it. So I am not sure what this is going to be. So all of that down there, you can see that white pumpkin just shining through. That is so pretty. Everything before the sunflower pen and up to here, all volunteer, except that one green striped pumpkin right there. Okay, so now you know, guys, where the wild things are. Here they are on Not For Nothing Homestead. They're down here at the pig pen, which kind of tracks because the pigs were wild heathens too. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was just a little fun impromptu trip. When I saw the big clumps of white down there, I was like, I wonder what that could be. Let me go down there and take a gander. I kind of realized what the white pumpkin was. And like I said, I remember getting those for free. They had orange heirloom pumpkins, and then they had the white heirloom pumpkins. Right before Thanksgiving, you could make like pumpkin soup. I mean, they were big. So this one is obviously not that big yet, but maybe it'll get that way. Anyways, I'm letting them all go. They all have free reign down here except for they have to stay out of the sunflower pen because I want the sunflowers to grow too. So anyways, hope you enjoyed that, guys. We'll see you. That's it for me here today at Not For Nothing Homestead. Take care of you and yours. God bless. And we'll see you in our next video because I think it's about to rain on me.